Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button to join the Slay Squad because we be slaying over here, period. Today, I'm going to be doing the easiest makeup tutorial ever. So it's 2021. If you still don't know how to do makeup, then just subscribe to my channel because I'm going to be doing a whole bunch of, I'm going to be trying to do a lot of makeup tutorials. So don't you worry, sis, I got you. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is make sure your face is clean and moisturized. So I'm just going to take these Olay. I'm going to take these Olay makeup remover wipes and just make sure that everything on my face is clean. Make sure there's no leftover makeup or anything like that. I don't got no moisturizer right now, so just make sure your face is primed at least. So for primer, I'm gonna go in with the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. And this is one of the best primers out there. It does cost like $24 or something like that. I don't know the exact price, but this is kind of pricey. If you want an affordable primer, then go ahead and use this e.l.f. primer here, this matte putty primer. It doesn't have to be a matte primer, just use any primer from e.l.f. It's about like $6, I believe. It's pretty affordable. So if you're looking for an affordable primer, go with e.l.f. Otherwise, go ahead and get this one right here. This is the best one right here. So I'm just going to apply that primer all over my face and just go ahead and rub it in. And the purpose of primer is to make sure that you have a smooth base. So this is going to leave your face smooth and ready for foundation. Yes. Okay, so now that we have our face primed, we're going to go ahead and go in with foundation. So for foundation, I am using this Fenty Beauty foundation, and this is the Fenty Pro Filter Soft Matte Longwear Foundation, and the color is number 385. So I'm actually going to apply my foundation using a brush. Okay, and then I'm going to take a damp beauty blender. Make sure that it is damp before you blend out your foundation. So I like to start on one half of my face, make sure that it's blended out, and then work my way over to the other side of my face. And this foundation is my perfect shade. If you need help finding your perfect shade of foundation, you can go to Sephora. They actually helped me pick out my foundation shade. They had like a some type of system where they like put it to my face and it told me the exact foundation shade. So that was pretty dope. So if you need help choosing the foundation shade, just go on over to Sephora, and it's free. It's not even a charge. Yes. Okay, so now that the foundation is nice and blended, we're gonna go in with some concealer. And I bought two new concealers yesterday from e.l.f. I got these new concealers here, and the color Warm, oh no, this is Deep Caramel, and then this one is Deep Almond. No. Deep Olive. So we got Deep Olive and Deep Caramel. And these foundations were $6 a piece. So these were very affordable. So when you're choosing your concealer, you want to do 2 shades lighter than your skin tone. So I'm going to use this one here, which is Deep Caramel. Okay, so this is the areas you want to apply your concealer, and you can put a little concealer right here just to give like a little lift. That's very optional. And then you want to apply it to the sides of your face like this, just to give your face a lift. Then we're going to take the Beauty Blender and just go ahead and blend that out. And just take the butt of your Beauty Blender with the rest of that foundation and just blend that out, because I put a little too much. A little too much. Now you can wait like at least just wait 1 to 2 minutes to blend out your under eye concealer, just so you can get full coverage. So I like to go around my eyes and make sure that it's blended in that area too. Okay, so now this is where you want to go in with the brighter concealer, the brightest concealer, and just apply it right under your eyes, just focusing right here. Okay? Okay, so for contour, I do not use any like contour palettes or anything like that. I just go in with some bronzer, and I like to go in with this Fenty Beauty bronzer in the color Cocoa Naughty, because it just gives you like a very soft and natural look. So I'm just going to take this bronzer and apply it, and I go in with a good amount of this just to bring some color back into my face, warm it up. So now I'm going to go ahead and blend out this rest of this concealer. Okay, so now that everything is nice and blended, you want to use some setting powder, and this is from Beauty Bakery setting powder. So we're going to go in and apply the setting powder everywhere we applied the concealer. So I'm gonna go in with some more bronzer. And when you're applying a bronzer, make sure you are going upwards to make your face lifted. We don't want to go down here, we want to go up here. And then put some more on your chin. Put that bronzer into your brow. Just sculpt out your nose, basically. So we're gonna put some of that setting powder right on the side of the nose, just so it's snatched. Boom. And then we're gonna go ahead and scope out our cheeks. Look at the difference between this and this. This, 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 this. Guess. Period. Stop playing with me. And then you can just go in with your beauty blender and blend out that powder. And then I'm gonna take some of this NYX powder, go in with a little bit of that, and just go in and dust off that powder. Okay, so I just picked up a new blush palette from Juvia's Place, and this is the Sahara Blush Volume 2. And let's go ahead and get into it. Yeah, so pretty. I love these colors. Okay, so I am gonna go in, which one y'all think I should use? I'm going with this one. Yeah, I'm gonna use this blush color today. So we just gonna go in with blush, smile a little bit, and apply it in a circular motion on your cheeks, and go in on the contour. Yes. Just like that. So go in a circular motion on your cheeks and just blend it in with that bronzer contour. Alright y'all, so now we're gonna go in with some setting spray, and this setting spray is from Benefit Soup, and this is a super setting spray. So this setting spray is gonna last, it's gonna make your makeup last all day. So go ahead and get you one. This is very expensive, it's like $15. You can get this or a Morphe setting spray, the best. And then just go in with your beauty blender and blend that in. Okay, y'all, I just had like a little malfunction. I don't know what's going on with my under eye, but it creases up a lot and it's just bothering me right now. So I'm gonna put my lashes on. I'm gonna go in with some mascara first, and then put my lashes on. So I'm gonna use these lashes today, and I got these from Amazon. So I'm just gonna pop these on real quick. Boom. And then you like kind of want to push them in. Push it, squeeze it into your natural lash. And then I'm just going to take this highlighter from Galaxy Shade. I got this in like a BoxyCharm package or something like that. And I'm going to apply some highlighter on my nose. Okay, y'all, this is the finished look. This is a very simple, very natural bead. Nothing too crazy going on. My eye did like tweak on me and try to like mess up my vibe, but it still came out cute or whatever. So yes. Hey, okay. Alright y'all, if y'all like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and stay tuned for the next video. Bye.